Good morning. Technology problem. Victoria Eugenia Rojas Plaza, licenciatura en Pedagogía Infantil. Hello, my name is Victoria. What's your name? Hi, Victoria. I am Roberto. Nice to meet you, Victoria. Likewise, sorry to bother you. I must ask about problem in the house. Okay, what's up? I had a problem with my blender. I know first it had appliances, but I do not have an and I told you how. Agreed? What is your problem? I had a blender that does not grind well and the liquid spilled out. What blends is it? Oyster. Most likely they had lost their edge out due to excess ice and the rubber is to be broken at and spill the liquid. I can go over to your house and change the parts. Yes, of course. Okay, thank you. Thank you.